Wait, did this work actually? Or am I just leave? No, I'm streaming through stream. Okay. I have no idea how this works. Let's see. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, I forgot to update the thing. I think Google updates it by default. Just put the music for Isaac in the background, really. Probably should lower it a little bit too high. I think so, at least for me it is, I don't know. This... oh well. Let's begin then. So the idea is I want you to code a game within an hour. I mean, it's a simple game, it doesn't need to have like many menus or whatever, but it's just a challenge basically. That working? It's a weird... what? Yeah, okay, whatever. I think it's all working. Let's see. It's working there. It's all working. Yeah, it's working also. Good. I have both there. Let me just share it. I'll share the Twitch one. Do it. Yeah. Oh. I like how there's a spoiler there. Alright, that works. I'm alive, trying to wood, break, sure, that works. Yep. See. Good. I think everything is fine. Let's see. I can actually make the. Oh. Wait. Why did they change that? Oh, yeah, everything there's in Portuguese, by the way. Everyone can understand that. Change it to English. Make. Editing? No. Where's the size of the thing, though? No. It's not here, is it? Print? No, that's something else. Yeah. If the text is too low, I might need to. View, always stop. Coding, language. Style configurators. Doesn't. Oh, font size. Okay, go font size. This here too. 20? Make sure 20. Get close. Did that change anything? It didn't. Whatever, if it's too low, does that not work? I guess I have to go for a new one, really? Ah, no, it should take from that, shouldn't it? Should have done this before, but I just forgot that it would be this small. View, zoom. Ah, that works. Did anyone? No, okay, nobody didn't. Good. Oh, hello, fellow game. Hello, Charles. How are you doing? I just saw. No, wait. Ah. Streamlabs doesn't get YouTube chat. That's unfortunate. Oh well. When the function line. Function love.load. I'm just to the starting area. I'm using love2d to make this game, but anything that should work. What's the next one? Love.update, I believe. At the time. Function love.draw. Should open. Should make a check, really. I think, yeah, I think it's those that I need. At least for what I'm thinking right now. I should also start the timer, because whatever. I think it's a love.update. Check with the wiki. Just for a second. Because I have the play.bat. That's fine. Let's see. Love the module. Yeah, that's one. Oh yeah, I also need the conf. Will this run with? Actually, let me check. Yeah, this runs. Okay. This runs even without the configuration file, config file. That's fine. So love.draw, yes. No. Love.load, yes, and love.update. Good. It's all those. I'm right then. E, which is the instance, for no reason really. Let's see. Let's start a timer then. The idea is that I want to make Brick Break. You know that game where there's like a... It's basically Pong, but it's single player Pong. Kind of. Makes sense, I guess. I never can do that in 1 hour, but oh well. Let's see then. First, start the timer here. Finish our start. So I want to make table. What? I didn't want that table, but tablet. Sure, that works. I want it to be like, yeah, because I want to have like multiple lines, basically. This is going to be like the board, the little... I had an idea on my head on how I would do this, so these are going to be like the lines on the top, right? There's going to be like numbers in here. Let's put like 4 for instance. Come on. 4 in each, yeah, that's fine. We're on the first one. I should probably do an enter here just so... 0, what? Oh, also. And one more just for the sake of it. There we go. Yeah, this basically is going to be the play area. I like this. It is basically going to be the board that you have to destroy on top. Let's see. So. Local love gra equal love.graphics, so I don't need to keep repeating that. Gra or I equals to going to hashtag tablet. Yeah. I could have done this better, but sure. Or j equals to 1 to hashtag tablet I. It's not then, it's 2. Then it's on if. I don't know. Ow. There's a problem there. Yeah, I shouldn't use this timer. Whatever, I'll do a timer later. Because I have 1 as the key for the timer to stop, and if I press 1 at any moment, it stops, so... Not ideal. Anyways, let's do the gra.rectangle. Then it should be, if it's fill or draw, so fill, which is the mode of the rectangle. That's how you do in Lua, right? Then it's going to be the X position. It's going to be... Oh yeah, I need to make... Yeah, because it's going to be like... I want to have like multiple sizes for a rectangle, so... The position is based on the size, and the size is based on the... Let's also get the... Let's get the size of the screen also. Of local. Width? Width? Yeah, that's the name of it. Let's go screen. W. Naming variables. Most important part. Love dot get. It's love dot graphics? No, it's love dot. I need to check what the name of the thing is. Name of the functions. I have the Wikipedia open here, so. Oh yeah, get height and get width, obviously. Width. Screen underscore age. Love dot get. Let me also make local border X. Good god, I'm terrible at this. Anyways, 10, sure. So that it's not like just at the edge of the screen, but it's also it has a little bit of a border there, just for this. Yeah, that works. So I have the screen width. How is the math on this thing? So the position has to be screen width, the X position, right? Times J, because J is the X value. Actually, let me just make this simpler for me. Use X and Y. It's much better. Yeah, but it's not the screen width times that. It's the screen width divided by the amount that is in there. I'm just local mount. Oh, so it's hashtag tablet I. The idea also to have numbers in here is that I can have multiple hardness on each block. So like if I put a 2 here later on, it can be harder, basically. Well, it's going to be the screen width divided by the amount. Actually, I should do this outside. Local size for X equal to screen width times the amount divided by the amount. Yes. Minus, wait, not the screen width, but the screen width minus 2 times border. Okay. Because that way I have the border, you know. Because I think I can just add the border at the end, right? Yes. This is going to be the size of the block, in the X position, obviously. And the Y position, I'm just going to make a constant, basically. Actually, should I even? Ooh, that's a good question. Oh, what? How much is going to be the size? Instead of that, I could make like, I could make the size of the entire, like all of the. I could make the size of everything, and then just divide that on the amount. That sounds better, actually. So like, local. It's not table. It's game underscore height. Let's say that that's like 100. It's fine. And increase that at any moment. I also need to say when it starts, right? So local. I don't know. Naming variable is annoying. Whatever, let's just put right. Oh, order height. Yeah, that works. Let's make it like start at 100. I just want to feel like they're starting with. Yeah, I just want to feel the starting of the with a bunch of rectangles, basically. I should make those rectangles different colors, but that's another question, really. So is the music fine? I just open Binding of Isaac and I let Binding of Isaac play on the background. Let's do it's going to be size X times size X minus size X, because Lua doesn't start with 0, so there's that. Plus the border. Square W. Square W times. It's going to be border. I have to also local size score Y. To be fair, this is going to be here, right? Local size Y is equal to. Oh yeah. Game age. Game underscore age divided by tag tablet. Sounds about right. Yeah. This is the size of the game divided by the amount of columns that there are. Okay, good. Smaller. If the text gets too small, just tell me. Zoom that back in. This border plus yeah. Size and y times y minus size underscore y. And then it should be just size x, size y, right? This y. In theory, this should feel like with a bunch of rectangles. Also close life speed here. Did I get the wrong thing? I think I did. Oh, yeah, it's not love, it's on graphics. Love graphics that you can get with. I almost pressed update on the YouTube stuff. Well. Aim to get length of new value. What? What's the new value there? Oh, yes. Don't forget to swap everything back normal, right? Use Y, change it to other places. There we go. Just, yeah, let me just open the game here. As you can see, we now have a bunch of rectangles. Should be expected. Let me just now make... I think math.random is a function. I hope it is. I just want to make a random here. Yeah, math. I think Lua has a math.random by default, so there is that. Yeah, I love math random. Rhyme stuff there. It's a number. Return the maximum possible value it should return. Okay. So, do another local here. Local rn equal love dot math dot can I do that? I probably can. Raw dot set color. It's going to be rn from 0 to 50. I think it's 255. Just copy and paste this. Because then every single... Actually, the last one should be always 0? Because last one is alpha. Hope this works. Now, somewhat. It's not 0, it's 1. Actually, no, it's going to be 255, right? Let's see. Huh. It works. Somewhat. I just, you know... Just wasn't as a... It's just that every single frame it's swapping a color, obviously. That's a problem. But that's fine. But at least you can see that like every single rectangle is being built there. Nice. Okay. Let's then go and make like off. We'll go ball equal to x 0. No, x 0 really. Y equals to 0. Basically, so I can make the ball, and then I can need to make the player. Add. Same as the ball. X equals 0. I change them later, basically. Okay. Also, after this, let's also... Oh yeah, the player also has to have a size. Oh, that's what I was going to do. Yeah. And do like... Close... Y... There you go. Comma. Size... Would be the size of the player. Oh, I want the player to be... Yeah, the player needs 100? Should be small, but sure. And Y should be like small also. And oh. Same for the bow. Because the bow also needs a size somewhat. Not a big size, but 10 by 10. It's not a... Actually, no, I could make a bow, right? Because you can make like size equal to... Size equal to 10. It's a radian. It's the circumference of the bow, so just do that. Because it's a bow, it's a circle, not a square. So I'm going to make the detection to be a square. Anyways, draw dot rectangle view head dot x head dot pose dot y head dot size dot x head dot size not size dot y exactly. Grad dot circle. I think it's grad dot circle. Could be wrong on that. Let's confirm. Should be few again. Then we also get a set color here in the meantime. Let's set their color as 000 to 55. It's going to be a white. Wait, so that's going to be white or is it going to be black? I have no idea if that's... Oh! Wait. Is set color... I think set color is not on 255, I think set color is on 0 to 1. Here's our circle here. Do they not have a circle? Oh, they do. Uh-huh. Yeah, no. Yeah, it's 0 to 255. Okay, I got it right. Good. Circle is just mode XY radius. View. Go. Post.x. Post.y. Size. Yeah, that should be fine. Back. Like the game always opens on the other. I mean, supposedly the rectangle is up here. I should probably move it. Shouldn't put it there. Then just put like 500. Works. Play. Still nowhere to be seen. We just get this a little bit later, right? We can actually use this value here. Ring width divided by 2. By 2. Height divided by 2. Expecting 500 to work. I mean, yeah, I was not going to work on the blessed place. Okay, that's weird. Oh no, because they're make it black. Yeah, 0 is going to be black. I forgot about that. But it would be white for some reason. There we go. I have the bottom, the circle. It's a very pixelated circle, but sure. Yeah, okay. Let's then make the local depth height. It's where the ball gets resetted, basically. The game even gets resetted. It's also going to be 100, or, well, screen height minus 100, that is. Okay, game age, here goes. So the player, which should be on the death age, minus like 10, just because his size is 10. Actually, that should be on the Y. Yeah. There you go. And the ball should be on top of the player. Kind of. Minus 100. Let's see if that works. Yeah. Basically. The only difference is that the player is not centralized. Also, the ball is very big. That's fine. Can I... Well, no, I don't want to. Oh yeah, because it's stiff. Oh. Minus... I can't do self.size, but sure, minus 50. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Just everything up there is a crazy mess, but I like it. Oh, it's weird. Also, I find it weird that they are not... I mean, I understand why they are changing it much, but... Let's go back to random. And they're getting like the same... Just like either white or... I don't know. Math random is weird. Did I do anything wrong with the math random? No, everything should be fine, really. Yeah? I don't know, that's fine. Anyways, I'll leave the player as... Actually, let's put the player as white, really. That's much better. Okay, good. Let's go with a collision now. For the player, right? Actually, let's go with... Let's give the ball a velocity, basically. Well, we go to... X. The velocity is going to be the same, because I don't want the ball to, like, change speed, basically. I can change it later, but sure. I think 10 should be enough. Let's see. Of the update, it's going to be... Ball is equal to... Right? Let's see. Oh no, this could be a problem, actually. Yeah, because I don't want the velocity, I want the acceleration to always be... Sure. Right? Am I doing this? Yeah, let's do something like this. There. So, ball dot pose dot x is going to be equal to ball dot pose dot x plus ball dot vel dot x, not minus size x, damn it. Just copy that and change everything for y. In theory, right? Basically, I want like the sum of both velocities to never be bigger than the acceleration. So whenever the ball hits somewhere, it's going to do going to change its velocity. Let's see if that works. Ball should be moving, and yeah, the ball just went off to the side. It's fine. Something works, obviously. If ball dot pose dot y it's bigger than def age, and let's also make a start pose here. Just copy this, because then the start position doesn't, you know. And all the pose dot y dot x equal all dot start pose dot x. Oh, god damn it. All dot y all dot start pose dot y. Yep. If the ball falls, it also 10 is too much, I must say. Over 5, that is. Let's put 1 then. Glitch. Let's make so that the velocity acceleration maximum is 2. Not real acceleration, it's more like maximum speed, but the acceleration doesn't really do much bad. Okay. Love.keyboard now, right? Yeah, love.keyboard. That's the one I want. Let's go for here. Damn it. Local key love.keyboard dot is down, basically. Because then you can like if key left then if key right then. Okay, good. Because this is going to be basically to move. So pad.post.x equal to pad.post.x. To go to the left, I have to subtract, so minus, I don't know, 0.1. This can be very, like, this can be very fast, but I'm putting a very small value. Let's see if it works from this. That was fine. Okay, maybe 0.1 is too little. It's moving, yes. And maybe 0.1 is too little, so 1. Should find a way to like keep the game open and update the code. Let's see if one. Ah, now I have a moving pad. Do I feel like it should be 2? But sure. I don't have those. Maybe I should make this 2, yeah. That sounds good actually. Because basically it's the same speed as the maximum speed of the ball. But to be fair, the ball it would be interesting if the ball like just goes down and then keeps going like left and right always. Oh yeah, I also need to make a check here. Like if pad.post.x smaller than border W? Yeah. Border W, then pad.post.x equal to border W. Make an equal here so it actually gets there. Actually, no, I could just... Is it going to change anything? Well, we shall see. And if pad.post.x is bigger than screen W minus border W, then pad.post.x is equal to copy this. Great game, great, thanks. There it goes. Yeah, because that should be fine. That way the pad should never be able to move past certain position. Let's see. Oh, yes, obviously. I forgot. You need to calculate the, the size of the pad. Was pad.size.x minus pad.size.x. I remember I was first doing this. Okay, now it shouldn't. There we go. Also, I should move the ball a little bit higher. Just the starting position of the ball, really. Because 200, that's fine. Yeah, I have all of that, so now... So let's just stop the color here being random. Actually, what I can do... Oh yeah, that's quite nice. So let's just subtract one. So I can actually see all the rectangles up there. Because I need to reopen it. There we go, now I can see the rectangles up there. That's much better, I must say. Than just those flipping colors. Good, that's definitely better. I will change the color later on. And the color will be dependent on like the number that's here. So anyways. Like after all the updates of positions, right? Yeah. we are going to do like another calculation. If ball.pose.x. Oh, this is an annoying one because it's going to be calculating like if the ball hits something. So the ball.pose.x. Oh, we need a for loop. For y equals true. Let me just copy this. Without this. Actually, no, I need that, right? Because that's the size of, yeah, this also. Also this size here. Oh, a tab here. Also, I can just remove that amount, because I don't think I'm going to be using it. I don't know why I made it down there to begin with, but sure. And... good. Because now I have the size of the tablets, and I have the position of the tablets. Actually, what's the position of the tablets? There you go. Let's copy this, really. We'll make this a little bit better, right? Book /square x equal to that. And this one for the y. Because I could have made the tabs themselves, instead of just being a bunch of ones, I could have the position there, but fine. Y equals, here we go. If ball.pose.x pos y minor than y, right? Oh, pos y plus the size y, size underscore y. Basically, if the ball is going through it, then actually this should be before the velocity, right? Yeah, before the velocity. Because then I can change the velocity before the ball does anything. It doesn't do much, but yeah. Let's see, ball.pose.y, ball. This is going to be a very simple one for the moment, but yeah. Y is equal to ball.y negative, I guess? Ball.val.x is equal to minus ball.val.x. In theory this should work. Also, let me just do another one here. Just if... oh, it's true else. Ball.pose.y is bigger than add.pose.y. Yeah, I still need to make so that, yeah, I still need to make something else. Yeah, I need to make the x check also. And ball pose.x it's bigger, right? Yeah, it's bigger than for pose_x and ball.pose.x minor than pose_x plus size_x, right? Yeah. Because basically it's checking just the bottom of the thing. Good. Should be fine. Yeah, same thing as the top one. Add.pose.y. Which is just one position really. Ball.pose.x bigger than add.pose.x. Go there. Ball.x bigger, smaller. Yeah. Add.pose.x. Yeah. plus pad.size.x, then also flip the velocity of the theory. This should work. I hope it's working. Oh then. Oops, okay, let's see. Okay, somewhat, yeah, it's working. It's working, definitely. Okay, yeah, it's working. Though... Okay, so I need to... Or I should have probably showed that, really. It's working, but I can't flip the position in X, actually. X should stay the same. At least for the... Oh, yeah, because... Okay. It's nice. Go like... Good, so let's see. If tablet y x is different, oh actually is equal to 0, then go to that. Just make mine really. Go to. Come on. Dead. Obviously. If that happens, then you don't flip the x velocity, obviously. Actually, no. Keep that. I need to do something else first. Tablet yx equal to 0. So the same thing here also, obviously. If let y and go to that and that. Good. That should in theory work. Again, in theory. Go. Ooh. Yeah, the mouse is too slow, by the way. Ah, neat. It means it works. Good. Okay, so let's go here. Obviously. If ball dot pose dot x, yeah, is bigger than pad. It's bigger than pad dot pose dot position, yes, plus pad dot size dot x divided by 2. Then, if it is bigger, then you don't flip the velocity on x. Yeah. Else you do flip. It's basically the same thing on the top. Let's copy this. Oh god, wrong thing. There you go. Instead of pad, it's just post.x. Let's see now. The ball should? Yes. Oh. Yeah, I forgot to make the border be a thing. Obviously. It's also be like if ball.post.x, yes. It's basically the same as this one. For the ball. Let's see. Huh? Everything to ball. Yep. Though I don't need to do that, I need to change the velocities, obviously. Basically just changes. Just change the velocity of the ball if the ball passes the thing. Not size of the actual ball size, yeah. Let's see how it works now. Here, if I tab here, it should go hit that corner. Ah, nice. Oh, sorry. keep forgetting I should... Oh, I double light. Wait, what? Oh, okay, that's fine. It just flip. Weird. It doesn't flip the... Wait, should it? Weird. No, it should be going right. Oh. Sure. I forgot that. Because the flipping depends where the ball is coming from, obviously. Hey, it works! It's brick break now. Which is good. Yeah, because the ball velocity X needs to change depending on like which angle it's, which X position it's coming basically. Yeah, because it's like if ball.fel.x is bigger than 0, then you do this, right? Because if it's bigger than 0, then it's going that way, and it should just keep its velocity. But if it's smaller, then it means that it's coming that way, and so it should. No, it should have flipped its velocity. Wait, no, I'm doing this wrong. Wait, no, not here. Then I should do this. Anyways, go for then loco. The girl. Make like a little table here, real quickly. Color. It should be like 0 0 255 5. Let's copy this. Let's just make multiple colors here. Okay. 0. How did I make that? Yeah, I did make that equals. No, that shouldn't be which is 0. You could choose self -1, obviously. Zero. There we go. A bit more, just for the sake of it. I forgot. They delete the comma instead of the 0. Wait, no. I delete the comma instead of the 0. Yeah, the 0 is there. Damn it. There you go. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Draw dot set color. That should be equal to then. There is a function that is like compact, compact I believe, for Lua, but I can't remember it, so I'm going to do it the basic way. Local C equals color of this thing. It's ugly. Yes. It should be like C1, 2. There is a way to not like typing it out, but I'll check that later. Here, that should be fine. Yes, good. It starts with everything being blue. If I change some of them, like 2, 1, 2, whatever. Ah, neat. Good. Yeah, that's good. Good, that's good, that's good. There's still something that I still need to change on this game, just for the sake of it. Am I losing too many frames? No, that's not losing frames, that's something else. Let's see, it's been about 50 minutes. It's nice actually. Done, yep, velocity. Yeah, because the problem is that when it's hitting, like, it's a weird one. Yeah, I didn't make the velocity change, basically. Velocity size 1-1. Not a problem, but like you don't have much control over it, basically. Right. How can I make that though? That is the question. How can I make the ball be? I make basically brick break, obviously. What I want to make now is the. Oh yeah. It needs to be on update. There, God. E position. But there goes. Let's go. If yeah, check if every value from tablet is 0. That's a good question, actually. Oh, okay. Yeah, I should make a 4, really. Challange. Just copy and paste, really, again. Oh, yeah, actually, just do it here, basically. Actually, yeah. Let's go make like... It's an interesting way of using this. Clear equals to true. Basically, let's make a clear here. Local clear equals to false. And then, like, whenever this thing is hit, it sets the clear as true. So, well. Actually, it doesn't. It's not conscious. For him. It's counting. Clear equal true. Okay. So let's just let's go clear. Clear plus 1. Clear status 0. How many numbers are here? Rather, instead of doing this way, let's just make like yeah, that's a better one. Instead of checking when it's input, let's check if there is something there. So we can do like local clear equals to true. Right. And basically if it ever leaves that part, it's going to be like clear to false. Means that there is something there. And if it ever happens, let's go at the end here. If clear, then and gra.print, you win. Somewhat. Screen age divided by 2. Screen age divided by 1. Yeah. Oh, divided by 2. Not age. It's that one that's dead. We should need the size of the text later, but should be fine. Let's see. Let's also make like val.val.y is equal to 0. Val.x equal to 0, so the bar stops basically. Oh yeah, that's another thing that I forgot. If val post.y smaller than what's the top that I made? Border age. Yeah, that works. Border age. Underscore. Wait. Yeah, that is right. What you think now? That is right. Val.y Pikachu minus dot L dot Y. Is it? Oh yeah, that's right, that's right. Never mind. Let's now play the game. Let's preempt a little bit. It's going to take a while for it to, you know. Actually, I kind of want to. Actually, if I hit here, it should flip. Oh, I get it. I get why my flips is nerd. Yeah. I have to fix the flip later. Yeah. Good. Also, this boy is very slow. I'll make it faster. Should go back there, yeah. Basically, if the velocity of the ball is positive, I should do this way. If the velocity of the ball is negative, I should do the other way around. With the X velocity, basically. Oh, that's nice. It works somewhat. Though, to be fair, it doesn't break. I think it won't break the block if it hits from the top. Let's see. Oh, it's not going to. It's not going to work, because negative velocities, basically. It should now work, in theory. Let's see. Welp, that's one way of clearing the board. At least I know that the ceiling is working, which is nice. Because I didn't check for like a max Y position. Okay, let me just close this. Fix that real quickly. Here. Post that size. Yeah, another one. Not bow, the post that Y is smaller? Yes, if the other was smaller than post dot post underscore Y. That should stop that in theory. Let me also fix this. If bow dot val dot x is bigger than 0, then basically if it's bigger than 0, you do that, else I think that's the way to do it. One can hope. We can test it later anyways. Copy and paste. Give me that. Not this one. Here also. Copy this one. Good. In theory, this should make everything much better. Okay, the ball did flip that side. Nice. I should, you know, increase the speed of the ball at some point just to test other things. Let's see. Ah, now it works. But to be fair, you can't really, you know, change the position. Yeah, that's nice. Works though. But the ball always has like the same speed, which is the annoying bit. Yeah. Because I kind of want like... Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Sure. Sure. That's 100% fine. That's a weird way to do it. Let's see. Ding. Ah, ooh. Okay, that looks surprisingly interesting, actually. Obviously, the ball is like going inside of the objects because I'm just making a point detection, not a collision detect, not a rectangle detection. Let's see what happens when the game clears. That's what I want to test out. Should probably just speed up the ball. Interesting. Not great. The ceiling is working, which is nice. The ball doesn't go to infinity. Actually, for me to make the... In theory, if I hit here... Yeah, if I hit here, it goes back, obviously. Because for me to make the speed of the ball to change, I should change the speed of the pad. I should create a speed for the pad, that is. Actually, yeah. Yeah, because I should make so that the pad has a speed. And pressing left and right just changes that speed. Just let the ball die and then I get a fresh start, really. Actually, it might be impossible for me to hit some squares. Because the ball doesn't change the angle, so... Huh. Odd. I just want to see if the win state is working. Should be working. So the pad should be faster. Can't say that. A fact. Hey, that's nice. The ball is like going through the thing, but that's fine. Yeah, this is going to hit that pad, and it's going to hit the last one, yeah. I just want to see if the ball stops the game. Basically ends? There you go. Yeah, it did end, but why did I print you? Oh, wait. Oh yeah, it won't print because it's on the... fair. Yeah, well. It works. Didn't print because, you know. Cleared and... none equals true. Make a local here. Another local, jeez. False. Go with here. And done. Then and should have copied. Did I copy that? I didn't, right? Print. You win. Screen age divided by 2. Screen age. 2. There you go. And I think that's 1 hour. That's nice, actually. I mean, I made the basis of the game, and then like you can just make it better over time. I'll probably do more upgrades on it later on. But currently I just want to see like if I could actually make this game working prototype of this in like 1 hour. And okay. It looked nice, looks nice. Let's see. Yep, I can change the speed of the ball here. Just change it to be like 10 as it was before. The acceleration doesn't do much, really. Thanks, Chocolice. Chocolice, how you doing? I will make a GitHub. I mean, I don't know why I would make a GitHub for this. I can just put this file. I'll make like... I'll get a video of this after, just cutting out a little bit. And I'll probably make it a little bit better later on, but for this stream I just want to make... I just want to make it like... Just see if I can code some... like a basic part of the game, basically. Where's the... Yeah, there it is. How much would be at 20 speed? Let's see. Oh, well. That's fast. That's the challenge. No, come on. That's interesting. Go. Yeah, okay. I just keep coding because I like a little bit, but for a base, it's a good base for it. Obviously, let's just change. What I would do next would be give a velocity to the pad. 0, 0, obviously. And give a max speed, basically. Or acceleration, really. Make it be like 5. I think 5 is a better number now. I don't know. Yeah, no, I've finished the challenge, which was to code this game within the hour. But now I just want to make, you know, I just want to make it a little bit better. Let's see how I go into the end there. Not fail. What the fuck am I doing, fail? Bad. But yeah, I kinda want to make challenges like this more often. Or like just get like a simple game and try to make a version of it that works. At least if I can make it work, that'd be nice. Because I can see like I'm working on a game here. Right, and that's taking a while. So to just get some inspiration other times, I want to do this. Add.fail. Fail. Minus. Not 0, let's put 1. Add.fail.x is bigger than add.maxfail, right? Then add.fail.x add.fail else. Copy this really. Smaller than negative version of it. Ah, I got you. Should be just this guy. Because this would be the changes I would make. That the pad's a little bit. Wait, what? Did I miss an equal somewhere around here? Oh, else if. That works, but the pad just keeps moving now. Obviously I need to make so that after the pad moves I need to go and make like .val.x is equal to pad.val.x minus 1. Actually, that's going to be interesting because I had to make... Yeah, because... Ooh, odd. Oh, no, that's fine, just make another check, I guess. Where did I start there? If pad.val.x is bigger than 0, x is equal to val.x minus 0.5. And if val.x is smaller than 0, then basically this is to like stop the pad. And else if oops pad.val.x smaller than 0. Same thing, pad.val.x x plus this. Yeah, that's fine. Bigger than 0. I feel like this could backfire at some point. Basically so that like the pad can stop. Yeah, good. Because now the pad stops. Neat. Ah, now this is looking more like a game. Somewhat. But it still dies and that's fine. Oh well. I think that's it for today. And thanks everybody for watching. And yeah, I'll make a edit of this just to get a little bit shorter. Post on YouTube. And also save this version of Twitch. And probably share this code here with people. Anyways, see you guys next time. Goodbye.